Well, welcome back to the channel once again. This time we bring you a Franklin sewing machine, and it's in a cabinet, quarter saw and oak. But this had been sitting in my old boss's barn for like 20 years or better. It belonged to his grandmother, and he's getting ready to have sale, and I mentioned that I was interested in this, and him and his wife talked about it, and he gave it to me. So we're going to get Tammy on here, do her magic with some cleaning. And the lid, there's a couple little spots of loose veneer I'm going to glue back down, and we'll get this thing all cleaned up, and it should turn out pretty nice. Okay, we're going to get cleaning this up and everything. And it's free and everything. I mean, it's not bound up. So I'll bring you back and show you after it's cleaned. Well, along with that other one, he also gave me this one. He said I had to take this one to get the other one. This is a Singer. But boy, is it in bad shape. The machine's all rusted and froze solid. So more than likely, we'll save like the hinges, give that machine a toss actually. Get rid of all this wood. And we'll find some wood and make a top for this and just turn it into a table. Clean that all up and paint all that iron. I'll save the drawers because they're not too bad. Well, Tammy worked her cleaning magic on this. See, there's a little spot where the veneer is missing. I don't know if I want to try and put a little patch in there, but I'm thinking this top I might have to put a little shellac on there. The rest of it ain't too bad for as old as this thing is. I guess the next thing is to oil the machine and get some thread on here. But I just wanted to make this little quick video to show you what I got. These Franklins were sold through Sears and Roebuck. And we'll finish up out here with this old Singer that all the wood's so bad on. And just like that, the wood is off. Like I say, this will be a future video. We will clean that rust all up, repaint this black, and I'm going to be looking around for the boards to make the top for this. Hey, we'll see you in the next video. Hard to tell what we'll be up to. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support.